How to be more persistent person. Below are list some of the things that you can do to become a more persistent person and not give up easily when things don't go the way you want. Think long term. The journey can be a long and tiresome one. Are you prepared to go as far as it takes to reach your goals? Recognize that things of value will probably take you a lot of time and efforts to achieve. If you hope to get rich quick or overnight success, you will quickly become discouraged when things get difficult and so on. Will probably give up as a result. Have patience and know that if you work long enough, you will probably get what you want. Set goals. Goals give your life direction and purpose. Having goals focuses your mind on what you have to achieve. Get into the habits of goal setting and set yourself both short and long terms to break down your main goals into a series of smaller and more manageable tasks. Remember, there is no one step that does it. It's a lot of little steps that will do it. When you complete a goal, give yourself a reward for completion as it will help to further motivate you to achieve further goals. One way to motivate yourself from periods of difficulty is to read books about people who have gone to difficult times in their life but eventually become successful at what they were doing. This might involve reading biographies of people who you admire or books such as How I Made It. 40 Successful Entrepreneurs reveals how they made millions, which includes variety of real stories. Learn and be positive. We become what we think about most of the time. You can learn from anything that happened to you in life, regardless of whether it was good or bad things that happened to you. Use what you learn to improve yourself so that you become a stronger, experienced, and wise person. Fourth, read books. Read and answer your shall success. Pay the price. Brian Tracy, one of the most influential people in life, Brian Tracy, a personal development author and a speaker, once said that in order to achieve success, you must be willing to pay the price up front and in full before you get it. This means that if you really want something in life, you will have to make sacrifice in order to get it. Usually, this will involve choosing how you manage your time, such as whether you want to spend your time watching TV or watching on your business instead. Visualize what you want, believe it, and you shall achieve it mentally. Imagine or picture the things it is that you would like to achieve. Think about how good it will be to have or accomplishing it, the way it will make feel, and benefit you will gain from it. Do this before you sleep at night and you will help to program that imagine into your subconscious mind, which will then motivate you to keep on working toward the realization of your dreams, your ambitions during the day. Watch your negative emotions. Emotions have a powerful influence on human behavior. Negative emotions cause you to respond to things using the emotional or middle part of your brain. This region of the brain tends to result in irrational thinking, which subsequently leads to poor decision making. see also overcome negative thoughts. If you find yourself become overly emotional about something, do not make any important decision in this frame of mind, because the decision which you make will most likely not be the correct or best decision. Adapt to change. Things don't always go according to plan, so sometimes you have to find a new way to reach your destination, even though you may have a clearly laid out plans for the accomplishments of your aims and objectives. Very rarely will you find that you are able to follow your plan exactly. Things will change and be different from how you expected them to be, and so you need to be flexible enough to adapt to this change. If you are to see your plans to completion, the most common barrier or obstacles that you like to come across in this regard is not being able to do something the way you though it could be done. Be aware of this and be willing to look for alternative approaches. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel Rahman Teens and hit like the notification button for more videos update. Thank you.